Hi, I'm Taz Monopoly, Cosmetic Chemist and trainee here at the Institute of Personal Care Science, and today I'm going to show you how to make a really simple body shimmer lotion. Now, this body shimmer lotion is a really simple, easy product. It's a emulsion with a little bit of a sparkly mica in it to give you a nice light shimmer or glow. Now, this product is best to apply if you're going out. It's going to be obviously like noticeable when you go out at night time. It's going to give your body a nice little glow. You can even put it on after you've fake tanned, after you've rinsed your fake tan, you put it on for a little bit of an extra glow. So really nice, simple, easy, but can also enhance your overall finished look when going out. Perfect for, when you're going out to celebrate. Now let me show you how to put it together. So I have my water phase here, and to make my emulsion stable, I'm just going to be slurrying some xanthan gum and some glycerin. Now this xanthan is the Cosmoderm X Soft by Cosmetec. This is one of my favorite grades of xanthan. It's really easy to slurry. It dissolves really nicely in a humectant. Now my humectant is going to help condition my skin and protect it from transepidermal water loss, which is actually perfect if you have a fake tan on before applying this product, because it's going to lock in the moisture into your skin, because the tanning actives can be quite drying towards the skin. So this is perfect for that. And then once you've got a nice smooth slurry, we're just going to add that into our water phase. And you can see it started to form a nice homogeneous gel there. Now I'm going to pop that one on heat. Now while that's heating, I'm going to put together my oil phase. So this is what's going to hold the oil and water together and really bring the emulsion and add some viscosity. So in here I have my emulsifier. This is a non-ionic high HLB emulsifier. It's obviously waxy. This is the EcoHance Care PS3 by Evonik. I actually really love this emulsifier. It's a good natural alternative to some other synthetic ones. And to this I'm going to be adding some caprylic capric triglycerides. This is a medium skin feel lipid. And lotions are quite long spreading as well, because body lotions are generally applied to the whole body, not just one specific area. So you do want it to be quite long spreading because you do have a large area of skin to cover. And I'm just going to be adding in some jojoba oil here. I love jojoba oil. This is a really good balancing oil for the skin. It's not greasy, but it's also not drying either. It's balancing somewhere in the middle. And I'm just going to pop that one on heat also. Okay, once the oil phase is all melted, we're going to pour it into our water phase. Now, if you don't have any shear sensitive materials, you need to use high shear to bring your emulsion together to reduce the particle size. And as you can see, a nice, beautiful white homogeneous emulsion has formed. To remove that from heat. And we're just going to give that a bit of a stir to help it start cooling. Okay, so now I'm going to add my preservative. I'm using the Cosmoderm Multi-Meg by Cosmetec. This is a nice naturally derived preservative. I'm going to add in essential oil, or you can add a fragrance of your choice. I'm just going to be adding a glycerin-based extract. This is just aloe vera. This is going to help hydrate, soothe the skin, moisturize it. You can pick one of your choice. Good for marketing and for story. Just a little bit of antioxidant here. And last but not least is our sparkly gold mica. Now you can pick one, you can see that. Nice and shiny. You can pick one of your choice. Gold probably is the better one to use, or you could possibly pick like a pearly white or a sparkly silver. I'm choosing this light gold because it's going to add like a nice light shimmer to my lotion. Now give that a good stir. Now, because we're using a particle here, which is the mica or a pigment, you do need to ensure that you're picking a really demodifier that has particle suspension properties. Otherwise, what will happen is it will normally just sink to the bottom or it will separate and it won't stay nice and uniform like this. And you will have to play around with the input as well. Make sure that you're using enough to stabilize the amount of pigment or mica or particle that you're using. Otherwise, again, that will obviously sink to the bottom or separate as well. Now, I'm just going to check and adjust my final pH. Now, full viscosity will not be achieved until the next day. As you can see, that's looking pretty runny, but when it's allowed to sit overnight, it will thicken up. So you will see it becomes a nice, more viscous lotion. Okay, and this is what my shimmer lotion is looking like the next day. Now, as you can see, that's thickened up quite a bit compared to my other sample, which was almost liquid-like. As you can see, it has stayed nice and stable. So it means we've used the correct really demodifier and also the correct input. So there's no particles that have sunk to the bottom. They've stayed really well spread out and it's nice and stable. There's no separation or anything like that. Hopefully you can see a little bit of that beautiful shimmerness in that lotion, and hopefully you'll see it when I put it on my skin also. Nice little sparkle, very subtle. You don't want anything too full on, but it just gives a really nice glow. You can see really nice glow there, which you obviously a bit better at night time, you know, when it's not as light, nice and dark, especially if you're going out. All those types of lights and stuff like that will have a nice beautiful reflection on this shimmer lotion. Now, if you want more shimmer, of course, increase your mica, but always remember to play around with the input of your real demodifier just so it stays stable. You can obviously play around with the lipids here as well. If you want it to feel a bit more heavy or a bit more moisturizing or richer, you can use more plant oils rather than the lighter feeling ones. If you need it to feel a bit lighter and long spreading, use a light feeling ester, or you can even use a silicone as well. Well, there you go. That's how super easy and simple it is to put together a body shimmer lotion. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up, leave any questions in the comments below, and as always, don't forget to subscribe to receive notification on the rest of our videos. Happy formulating!